Ready to turn your creations into cash on Gumroad? Let's get you set up to receive payments like a pro. First things first, head over to Gumroad.com and log in to your creator account if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up easily on their homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on that to access your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a section called Payout Information. This is where we'll connect your payment methods. Click on it. Gumroad offers a couple of primary ways to get paid: PayPal and direct bank transfer. Choose the option that best suits your needs. We'll walk through both. If you choose PayPal, simply enter the email address associated with your PayPal account in the provided field. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any delays. For bank transfers, you'll need to provide your bank account details. This typically includes your account number, routing number, or equivalent for your region, and sometimes your bank name. Double-check these details for accuracy. After entering your chosen payment details, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This confirms your setup. Congratulations! You've successfully added your payment method. Now, any sales you make on Gumroad will be processed directly to your designated account, making your creator journey smoother than ever. This ensures you can focus on what you do best: creating amazing content. While Gumroad handles the payments, get ready to streamline your sales and get paid without hassle.